Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Reaching the age of adolescence. Reaching the age of adolescence. Hormones other than sex hormones. Hormones other than sex hormones. Apart from the pituitary, the testes and the ovaries, there are other endocrine glands. Testes and ovaries are other endocrine glands. Some of the major ones include thyroid, adrenal and pancreas, and table 10.3 represents the hormones secreted by endocrine glands and their functions in the human body. With this background, you can therefore understand when a person has a very big and bulging throat, he is suffering from goiter, a disease due to deficiency of hormones thyroxine produced by the thyroid gland. Reproductive phase in humans. Reproductive phase in humans. Reproductive phase in humans. The production of gametes starts earlier in female than in males, and in female this phase begins 10 to 12 years of age, while in males it begins at 13 to 14 years of age. However, the production of gametes lasts for a much longer time in males than the females, and in females the reproductive phase generally lasts up to the age of 45 to 50 years, and this period from the onset of puberty to the age of 45 to 50 years is marked by a specific event repeated almost every month, more specifically 28 days, and during this period one ovum mature and released by one of the ovaries once in about 28 days, and the wall of the uterus becomes thick so as to receive the egg, and in case it is fertilized it starts developing and results in the pregnancy. If fertilization does not occur, released egg and the lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off. As a result, bleeding takes place in women, and this loss of blood is called the menstruation. What is the menstruation cycle? It occurs after 28 days. Menstruation cycle, it occurs after 28 days, and after 28 days egg is released. When fertilization takes place, then egg come in contact with sperm, then fertilization process takes place, otherwise again, and when fertilization process takes place, then it named to the pregnancy, and menstruation occurs once in about 28 days. The first menstruation flow begins at puberty and is called a menarche. First menstruation flow begins at the puberty, at the age of puberty, and is called menarche. And around the age of 45 to 50 years, the menstrual cycle stops, and the permanent stoppage of menstruation is called the menopause. What is the menopause? Permanent stoppage of the menstruation is called the menopause. What determines sex of the baby? What determines sex of the baby? What determines sex of the baby? In chapter 8, you learned that each body cell contains a nucleus and which has chromosomes. Human body cells contain 23 pairs of chromosomes. Human body contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. 23 pairs of chromosomes, and the last pair of chromosome, however, differs in male and female. The last pair of chromosome in the male is the XY in male, and in female that is the XX. Last pair of chromosome in the male is the XY, and last pair of chromosomes in the female is the XX. The last pair of chromosomes consisting of two chromosomes, which is different in males and females, is called the sex hormone, and this is called the sex hormones. This is called the sex hormones. And the male, the last pair of chromosomes consist of one X and one Y, and other words, the male sex chromosomes are XY type. Male chromosomes XY types, female chromosomes XX type. The male with XY type pair of sex chromosome produces two type of sperms having X chromosome, having Y chromosomes. The females, on the other hand, produce only one type of X having only X chromosome. Male produces two types of sperms, X and Y. And body cells of female, it produces two types, XX. Female produces one type of ova, that is X and X. Whether a baby is going to be a girl or a boy depends on the sperm, which fertilize an ovum, and shown in the following table. Male produces two types of sperm, X and Y. Male produces two types of sperm, X and Y. Female produces X and X. And this is the male. Male produces two types of sperm, X and Y. X and Y. If it is, that is the if Y sperm fertilized with X, then it will be boy. And when X chromosome fertilized with this X chromosome, then it will be girl. So we can say that if X chromosomes from the means X, if male release Y and is fertilized with X chromosomes, then it will be boy. And when X chromosome X come from the male is fertilized with the X chromosome of female, then it is the baby is the girl. How a girl is born? You know that when X sperm is released and it fertilized with the egg, that is the ovum, then it should be a girl. And when egg and sperm Y fertilized with X and Y sperm, then it becomes a baby boy. And when X chromosomes are there, then it becomes a baby girl. And when XY chromosomes, it becomes baby boy. From the above information, it should be clear that children are not the gift of God as was believed by people in earlier days and is believed even now. by some village people. It is a no scientific that the parents are responsible for raising their family. Parents are responsible for raising their family. Another fact which becomes clear is that sex of the child, whether a boy or a girl, is not anyone's hand. It is clear that sex of the child is not in anybody's hand, and certainly not in the hand of the mother. So we should not torture a woman who does not give birth to a son, because it is totally dependent on the sperm. If Y sperm is released and it fertilized with the X, then it becomes, if X is released, then it becomes girl, and Y is released, then it becomes boy. So till here you will take revision. What determines sex of the baby? This one, and reproductive phases in humans. And from chapter 9 I will give through the PDF. Answer the following I will give through the PDF. You can check from there and you can write from there. Till here you will take revision.